The United States Supreme Court ruled today that Americans born in Jerusalem cannot list Israel as the place of birth on their U.S. passports. The vote by the Supreme Court justices 6-3. For the past 60 years, U.S. policy has been not to recognize any state as having sovereignty over Jerusalem. So the decision is a victory for the executive branch of the U.S. government, affirming its power to recognize foreign states and governments. The case was brought on behalf of a 12-year-old boy whose parents tried to have Israel listed on his U.S. passport as his place of birth. So, Ron Brownstein, what do you make of this 6-3 decision by the U.S. Supreme Court?
I think in the White House, what they're seeing is 6 votes in favor of executive authority over congressional prerogative, including Anthony Kennedy as one of the 6 votes. They may not get 6 votes on the other issues they're facing, but on the EPA regulation of carbon and even more so on the president's unilateral action on immigration. On both of those issues, ultimately, the Supreme Court will be ruling about executive authority, and I think the White House take at least some comfort from the fact that there was a majority of votes supporting executive authority in this case.
Yeah, I think that's definitely the read on it. I mean, they believe, particularly as you head into the debate over immigration, that what they did was legal, constitutional, et cetera, because they had the authority under the executive branch. And so this says, yeah, you do have the authority to make diplomatic relations with another country. Congress cannot do that. Only the president and the State Department can.
It's good for the executive branch, this decision, not so good for the legislative, because the legislative branch, they passed a law saying that if you're an American citizen, you have a kid born in Jerusalem, you can list on the passport Jerusalem, Israel. Just like if the kid was born in Tel Aviv, you could say Tel Aviv, Israel, but the administration, Republican administrations and Democratic administrations have said that is not the case.
And we've talked about this before. I think this is the central conflict we're heading for. Divided government between Congress and the White House is more often the case than not now, and I think we've seen President Bush on national security, now President Obama on domestic issues, push the envelope of executive power, and what that ultimately means is the Supreme Court matters more as the voice that says how far you can go, because what we're learning is Congress cannot stop a president who's determined to push his power, but the courts ultimately can.